to draw the Philadelphia Eagles logo. We are going to start by drawing a small diagonal line on the left bottom of our page. Then from the bottom of that, we are going to draw a big curved line. Awesome! Now we are going to draw the exact same line that we just drew, but we are going to draw it on the inside of the other one. Awesome job! Now from the line on the inside, we are going to draw a curved line that goes up and to the left a little bit and then to the right. Going down from that line, we are going to draw a check mark shape. Then we are going to outline that check mark shape and make sure that we connect them at the top on the left. Now we are going to finish that check mark shape by drawing a long line going up on the right side. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw a big circle shape inside of the beak right here, and then at the bottom it will go towards the right a little bit. Then from that we are going to draw a long diagonal line going up to the right. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. This is the beak of our eagle. Right here is the tongue, and then up here is the top part of our beak. Now we are going to connect our beak at the very top by drawing two slightly curved lines right here. Great job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now that we're all done drawing our beak, we are going to draw the eye of our eagle. This is going to be a little bit above the curved line that we finished drawing just now. And for this, we are going to draw a half circle. And we are going to connect our half circle at the top with a straight line. Then inside of our eye, we are going to draw a small circle. This will be for the pupil. And then we are going to draw details around the eye. We will start by drawing a small curved line right underneath the eye. And we are going to extend that line a little bit upwards on the right side of the eye. Then below the bottom left of the eye, we are going to draw a small triangle-like shape that points downwards and does not connect at the top. Then from the bottom of that, we are going to draw a curved line that connects to the outline of the beak we drew earlier. Then from the other end of the triangle, we are going to draw a line that goes upwards and connects to the top of the eye. Then from the curved line that we drew below the middle of the eye, we are going to draw another curved line connected to that one that goes below it and has two curves to it going to the right. Then we are going to extend that line out to the right, and at the very end we are going to draw a diagonal line going inwards to the left. From that we are going to draw a long skinny triangle-like shape with the point going to the right that will not be connected at the bottom. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw a curved line from that going all the way towards the outline of the beak we drew at the beginning, but we are not going to connect. Then we are going to draw a line for detail going from the right of the eye through the middle of the long, skinny triangle that we drew. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're all done drawing the eye and the detail around it. Now we are going to draw a small triangle right here. Then from that we are going to draw a long, slightly curved line going upwards for the top part of our eagle's head. Then at the end of that line we are going to draw a small diagonal line going downwards. Then we are going to draw another line going to the right. And at the end of that one we are going to draw a small diagonal line just like we just did. And from that we are going to draw one more line going to the right. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now right below this we are going to draw a similar set of lines starting right here. Great job! Now we are going to draw zigzag lines going downwards starting right here. And this will end up connecting to the bottom part of the beak. Then we are going to draw a slightly curved line with another zigzag shape in it, and then we are going to draw a big half circle connecting this to the bottom of our beak. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Our drawings are looking great so far. Now we are going to go up to the top inside of the outline we finished drawing and draw a line going downwards. Then right here along with this line we are going to draw a long line going to the left. That will come to a point, and then we are going to draw a long line coming back to the right that goes a little bit longer, and then a line going downwards following that outer outline that we drew. Then we are going to draw another very long skinny triangle shape going to the left, with a line going to the left following the outer outline, and then a long curved line going towards the beak connecting to it. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now right here we are going to draw a curved triangle shape. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're almost finished drawing the Philadelphia Eagles logo. Next we are going to add some detail on the beak by drawing a half oval shape right here. Then we are going to color it in black. Awesome job! Now for the final step, we are going to draw some skinny triangle-like shapes that are long right here, here, and here. These will connect to the long skinny triangle-like shapes that we already drew. The other ones are going to look similar to this. This is how to draw the Philadelphia Eagles logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw a Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Also comment down below other logos that you would like us to draw, or any other characters you want to see us draw as well. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew.
Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.